Hi. So, today I'm going to show you how we can manage overseas billing on Astar. So, there are two perspectives. Actually, one recruiter plays the candidate to overseas client, and second, finance does the invoice uh, on overseas currency. So, coming to first way, how recruiter will do the overseas billing or how they can treat on Astar. So this is one of the test requirement. I have one candidate in interview stage, and candidate name is overseas invoice just for test purpose. All right. So I'm just going to convert this candidate. Uh, Taking an example, कि this candidate got offer on 3,000 USD dollar and 10% as a billing fee. So how we will treat it? So I'll just click on convert to offer. Now I'll put offer stage, offer given, billing type. So here we have introduced two field. Earlier it was fixed and variable. Now we have introduced overseas fixed and overseas variable. Same will work like the Indian fixed and variable, right? So suppose I'm just taking assuming ki this candidate billing is on 10% on 3,000 USD. So I'm just going to take the example. So I have selected overseas billing. CTC offered is 3,000 and I'll take currency as USD. So a rate will automatically come and tentative date of joining suppose 29th and overseas rate suppose 10%. So I filled this information in USD and click on convert. Now this candidate converted into offer successfully. Now you can see the job console. This candidate is in offer and I'm just going to open this offer. Now you will able to see you can see the commercial information. So this is automatically calculated based on the overseas CTC and rate into INR. Now billing amount is coming in INR automatically. So no manual intervention. So there would no error chance, right? And this is the overseas billing details. Currency in USD. Current rate is 81 and overseas CTC is 3,000, 10% and 300 USD. Rest of the process would be same fee sharing. They need to put the fee sharing over here and it will automatically calculate based on this INR billing amount. Now I am just going to move this candidate into placement. I'm just doing it convert to placement. Click on convert. Okay, so now this candidate is into placement. I have to do few things like I have to click on joined. I have to mention designation. I am just putting manager. I need to put date of joining that is 29th, suppose. And one another compulsory field is due date. So I'll put due date is 26th, 31st. All right. I'm also putting same time because obviously finance will put the invoice number. Wow, test 1 2 3 4 5. I'm just putting it. Okay, I'll save it. I've done it. Now, this is the first part where user will treat the candidate. Now coming to second part. Second part would be how to raise the invoice. So they raise the invoice, finance team raise the invoice through Vipulsar ID. I'm just going to log in through Vipulsar ID. I'm logged in it. Right, I have logged in. Now I'll go on invoice page. And say suppose this invoice is for Kesab Global Trading. So I'll select this client, Kesab Global Trading. I need to select bill to party. I've selected it. Ship to party. I've selected it. GST number, whether it will applicable or not. VAT, no VAT. So generally in overseas VAT or no VAT we select. So I'm just selecting no VAT. And here company need to select overseas invoice. Under WOW you can raise general invoice in INR and overseas invoice is the same. When you search it, You will able to see the this candidate overseas thing. And now this is as simple as you generate the general invoice. You can view it. You can view it. Now you can see the thing, logo and address are the overseas. You can see the CTC. You can see the currency, and there is no VAT. So you can see it is as simple as the invoice has been touched. Now you can generate invoice, perform invoice, so you can do like that. So that's how you can manage the overseas billing. Thank you.